Unlock a world of secure and unrestricted streaming on your Apple TV by learning how to use a VPN. First, you'll need to interact with your Apple TV via Siri. Ensure your Apple TV is powered on and connected to your network. It's important to note that not all VPN providers offer a dedicated app directly on the Apple TV App Store. The most common and reliable method involves setting up your VPN on another device, like your iPhone or iPad, and then sharing that VPN connection to your Apple TV. To do this, download your chosen VPN app onto your iPhone or iPad. Once installed, open the app and connect to your desired server location. Next, head into your iPhone or iPad settings and find Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Turn this feature on. This creates a Wi-Fi network that your other devices can connect to. Now grab your Apple TV remote, go to Settings, then Network. Your Apple TV will scan for available Wi-Fi network. Select the Wi-Fi network name that matches your iPhone or iPad's hotspot. You may need to enter the hotspot password. Once connected, any app you open on your Apple TV, like Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer, will now route its internet traffic through your VPN-protected iPhone or iPad. This allows you to bypass geographical restrictions and enjoy content from different regions securely. Enjoy your enhanced privacy and unrestricted streaming experience on your Apple TV.